Hey everybody, Mark here, and today I'm in Seabrook, Maryland at the Seabrook Mark commuter train station. As you can see behind me, the clouds are starting to break up. It was sprinkling here earlier today, but it's supposed to be nice weather. We'll have a few Mark trains stopping here, picking up passengers heading into Washington, D.C. But what we're here to see today is some fast-moving Amtrak trains. I brought my radar gun, so we'll check how fast a few of those are coming through here.
Moving exits towards the center of the train, where you see the uniformed member of the crew, not all of those.
Oh, that was pretty cool. We saw the Crayola train on the Amtrak's new paint livery. That was pretty cool. Oh, I thought that would be going faster than that. Oh, forgot to turn my gun on. Still caught it though. Well, not a bad 2.5 hours that I spent down here at Seabrook. Saw a few fast trains and some slow trains. I thought that one Acela train would be around 120 miles an hour, but he was just poking along because there was traffic in front. But we did manage to catch a few trains getting up to 100 miles an hour, and I think that's going to do it here from Seabrook, Maryland. And on that note, Mark saying, see you by the rails.